Looking for the perfect companion to make cooking easier and more delicious? Imagine coming home to a hot, ready-to-eat meal without spending hours in the kitchen. In this video, we're diving into the 5 best crock-pots that will revolutionize the way you cook. Before we start, please show some love by hitting that like button. Your support means the world to us as we embark on this exciting journey together. Let's jump right in. We will start our video with Hamilton Beach Pressure Cooker. The Hamilton Beach Portable 7-quart slow cooker is perfect for family meals and gatherings, serving 8+ people with ease. It offers 15 programmable options and automatically switches to warm after cooking, making it truly set and forget. The lid latch strap ensures spill-free travel, while full grip handles provide easy carrying. The dishwasher-safe crock simplifies cleanup, making this slow cooker versatile and convenient. Next one is Elite Gourmet Pressure Cooker. The Elite Gourmet MST 250XS is a compact 2-quart slow cooker perfect for small meals, sauces, and dips. It features adjustable settings for precise cooking and a stylish stainless steel finish. The dishwasher-safe ceramic pot and glass lid make cleanup quick and easy. Cool touch handles ensure safe transport, and its compact design is ideal for personal use or entertaining. Now we talk about Instant Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 is a versatile kitchen essential that combines pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, and more in one device. Its 13 smart programs make meal prep easy and efficient, whether cooking fast or slow. Designed for up to 6 servings, it features a food-grade stainless steel pot and easy clean, dishwasher-safe parts. With 10+ safety features and access to 800+ recipes via the Instant Brands app, it's perfect for modern families. Move on to Crock-Pot Pressure Cooker. The Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker is perfect for large families or gatherings, serving 9+ people with ease. It features high, low, and warm settings for cooking flexibility and a removable stoneware insert that's microwave and oven safe. Cleanup is simple with dishwasher-safe parts, and its stainless steel design adds a stylish touch to your kitchen. Ideal for effortless, healthy home-cooked meals. The last one of our list is All-Clad Pressure Cooker. The All-Clad 7-quart stainless steel electric slow cooker is perfect for large meals, featuring 4 cooking modes and a programmable LCD timer. Its stainless steel lid retains heat, while the easy-to-clean aluminum insert is dishwasher safe. With ergonomic handles for serving and a sleek design, it combines convenience and style for effortless home cooking. We reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed these 5 pressure cookers, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content, and drop a comment below. Your support means a world to me. Thank you for watching.